Introducing Perio-Mate from NSK. Care after use. Note: failure to clean Perio-Mate after use and regular maintenance may cause powder blockage, water leakage, or malfunction of the instrument. After removing the remaining cleaning powder in the powder case, close the cap and run Perio-Mate with air only to discharge water and powder in the nozzle. Open the cap and blow off the remaining powder in the powder case with air. Fit the supplied blower nozzle to the coupler and attach it to the handpiece. Run idle with no water for more than 5 seconds to clear the lines. Use the blower nozzle in the same way to clear lines in the Perio-Mate nozzle. Hold the nozzle tight and blow air from the far end of the nozzle. Wipe the nozzle and the handpiece with a soft cloth soaked in alcohol to remove saliva and other physical contaminations. Deep cleaning and washing. Once a week, after removing the remaining powder, clean and wash Perio-Mate using the following steps. Remove Perio-Mate from the tubing. Disassemble the handpiece, powder case cover, and its cap. Clean the inside of the joint section of the handpiece and the O-ring section of the powder case with the supplied cleaning brush carefully. To remove the nozzle, insert it into the ring wrench and loosen the nut. Pull out and detach the nozzle from the handpiece. Clean the inside of the nozzle and the handpiece with supplied cleaning wires. File and brush away the residues. If powder is stuck to the O-ring section, remove them and clean the O-rings and grooves carefully. Rinse all the parts under running water. You can also perform ultrasonic bath cleaning with hot water. Blow water off all the parts and pieces such as case cover, handpiece and nozzle, and let air dry. Reassemble. If you have any further questions, please visit our support site, nsktech-us.com.